Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss a topic, how to change the HTML input caret color. If you are thinking, what is caret? It is little blinking vertical line, or cursor that appears when you click inside a text input field, or textarea on a webpage.It indicates where your text will be inserted or edited. Often, developers want to customize the color of this caret to match their website's design. Today, we shall talk about it. Let's move to first example. The most common way to change the caret color is by using CSS. We'll start with a simple HTML input field and apply some CSS to it. We use caret color property to change the color. Now check, yes, caret color is red now. Sometimes, you might want to change the caret color dynamically. Based on user interactions, let's achieve this with JavaScript. We shall use a color picker input field to let the user select their desired caret color. First of all, we set CSS property. The root matches the root element of the document. The var function is used to make a property global. Now we write JavaScript code to change the input field color dynamically. If you want to download the code, I will put the link in description. When user picks the desired color, JavaScript listens for changes in the color picker's value and updates caret color CSS variable. Yes, it is working well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget like and subscribe for more web development tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.